call upon Asfia for speech on discipline.
My name is Asfia. I am studying here 8th class. The motto of our school is to fetch our students success through knowledge and discipline. So I would like to speak few words about the discipline. No one has become successful and maintain it without discipline. Talent, opportunity, passion, ambition, hard work and persevering all have their contribution to make to success. But without discipline, it is highly likely that a genius too will end up as a failure. So, what is discipline? Discipline is one ability to adjust oneself to the given situation was the thought, the principle at my school driven home into our hearts. At each school assembly, that means we are not able to blame circumstance, but instead rise above them by making necessary changes in our attitudes and action. Discipline primarily began to make best use resource to us from God. Discipline in life is very important for each one of us. It's the tradition of training people to follow us rules or code of conduct. Without having a disciplined life, we cannot work towards our goal. Now, why do I say this? This is because disobedience and disrespect are so fashionable with today's young generation. But let me tell you, disobedient child is an undisciplined child. And even if such a child becomes successful, the tide of disobedience he or she carries in his or her mind will someday prove to be their downfall. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.